You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, the danger of data breaches. If you run a business that relies on technology, you should be aware of data breach dangers. While the frequency of data breaches increases yearly, the 8% increase in the first quarter of 2023 constitutes the greatest uptick in 2 years. Despite continual advancements in cybersecurity, attackers consistently find ways to breach defenses. It's my opinion that this is largely due to a prescription mentality in cybersecurity. Doctor, what product do I need to buy and install to keep me secure? But more on that in the takeaways. Here are the top risks to consider when deciding how much to invest in cyber defense. First, financial loss. Compensating consumers, breach response, investigation, remediation, legal fees and fines, lost revenue and firm value. 2, damaging reputation. The research on reputational damage shows that 1/3 of customers in the financial, retail, and healthcare industries will leave after a breach. Operational downtime. How much does it cost you to be down? Depending on the nature of the breach, you may spend days unable to operate your technology. Legal penalties. Data regulations require that businesses do everything they can to protect consumer data. Customers who believe that you could have done more can sue for damages. Data loss. Might your data be stolen, deleted, encrypted, lost? Do you have anything that you don't want to become public or that you can't run your business without? And lastly, identity theft. When a hacker obtains a person's sensitive data, the negative impact can last for the rest of their life. And this is one that I personally see too often. It's heartbreaking. Business and personal credit used to take out loans, money laundering through bank accounts opened in your name, and so much more when they have access to all of your accounts and data. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, know your requirements. Speak with an attorney, industry association, cyber insurance provider, or a data privacy expert such as CyberStream's vCISO to understand what regulations or levels of due diligence may be required in your industry or by your insurance policy. 2, assess your risk. Work with a cybersecurity expert to complete a security risk assessment on the nature of your business, the data that you use and store, and your operations to determine the biggest risks to your specific business and the commensurate mitigation steps. And 3, the prescription mentality. Just like a pill can't make you fit and healthy, a product can't make you cyber fit and secure. Someone has to do the work that needs to be done, to learn what needs to be learned, and to take the actions that need to be taken every day. As in your personal health and fitness, the same applies to your cyber fitness. And just as you may determine that you need a coach, a trainer, or a doctor to get and keep you on the right track in your physical fitness and health, you may find that you need to bring in an expert to help get you and keep you cyber fit and secure. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your cyber fit score using our proprietary cyber fit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update. This is Matt Cordell signing off.